of the exciting news for Kumasi Asante Kotoko this year because finally now koye say Kotoko beko media makra ne duru no so no okoye Kotoko versus DC United no semi no ka say ya no Kotoko players 20 versus no finally ready empanyifo meeting omokoye regarding Kumasi Asante Kotoko other players or Monsanka or movies. No, before a process BBA Kotoko has been assured of 20 visas. USA, Yedi Boom, more money be that no, or more money or money America visa no, ye more shock stints. That's a dear protocol, between aye. And this is kind courtesy the Ministry of Tourism and the Parliament House. This office of the Speaker of Parliament and Kotoko IMC chairman, of course, and large and in charge meeting or insist now Kotoko last game obebo ewo Ghana and sana wako sa international friendly game we know Accra Lions game exclusive yansa kana wa hide the details tama Kotoko tu nyina no itinerary no ewa ha senior citizens more doubt to me anuni itinerary ni na itinerary na mensa aka no kire se bibia ansesa ansana no mame twa Ghana football update kakra Legon Cities Legon Cities for efa charge omo Bechem United ya fine omo 3000 Heart of Lions coach the friend of Bashiru Hayford omo ne aduana boy aduana te omo kaman ko fans simbi ni bufu yo toto ne nsa complain and also twa no 3000 Ghana Cities arana senior citizen bi busa me channel no say sika na efifuo no fine amamfo a je no de ye den asebsebe o de ye den sika no de ye den that's the latest finding about with regards to GFA disciplinary issues. Salisu Mohammed Ghana central defender. Now, I was saying, say the UEFA Champions League Team of the Week, Salifu, and I said Salisu Mohammed, PM, and now I'm Dynamo Zagreb and about Champions League, no, na or no, and the share go, a lady Yama or Moti or Mokano. I think say a 2-2. Salisu Mohammed. Now, quite unfortunately, these boys are playing so well with their clubs, but Omoba Ghana na akoye BBA na akoye BBA but muntimi nka ne bebre because national team no ade ba akone say on the national team no omo ho nche oko club make say on the club na tena ho almost 3 months 4 months but national team no make say ebia next week Ghana eba bebo Sudan enimu ni achiri no na be 5 days bi another 2-3 days near from no omo free omo club side aba na omo be ye training kakra bi na omo de ehu omo ho na omo akobo match eno no na bronyi be ka say they don't gel enough to know themselves to play telepathically. You can say telepathically and let's say oh bobo no na telepathy adwuma no you who be sa with the national team and I know one of the reasons near fact say one say omo ho enche and no na amanfo di twitwa omo ho but amanfo say make the point many omo ya doing say even though say there is no telepathic understanding by playing for long time no there is also the fact say players are not much committed when they come to the national side. They pull their legs near their and they don't exert the energy they exert with their various football clubs. Me pese me bo bi but yeni momo ebi bobo England, ebi wo Spain, ebi so eka sabotage asem say players ne ba we na me pass ama no we na me pass ama no me pass ma we ni nyina no ekofa ensensem eba ema Ghana football no omo ba national team na omuntimi emmom felisa so but Salisu Mohammed no yemmo na baso enye easy say obewura the player of the week in the best 11 best players for the week are of course we Champions League, you know. Barca boy, Real Madrid boy, Juan boy, Arsenal boy, but utibi meje me call her list no. Only player be a friend no. You didn't escape me kakra. I'm on nsem ne de. Me nya de o ho sa. No ne me Kotoko. Ene to be a Chelsea kakra. Chelsea aburuchiri. I'm on nsem me nya de o ho ka. But the minimum ye Kotoko ene aburuchiri Chelsea kakra because Chelsea ne de. Me senior citizens are more here crowd here. Me so so mudu do na ye Chelsea for. And a man you for gum. Hey Ghana. Man you team ne de I am mere. Enti the no Salisu Eje the player of the part of the 11 best players, which is the team of the week no on na about 5 enyasem kitwa kra omune dynamo for no about 2-2 and osahye go the goal no lead here ema sa equalizer no dey eba ma team a friend no Monaco ehona Salisu about the ball. Eti kakra wo ho no na sesei no ma memfa mani enchrefi na Kotoko just no been breaking it down emma na interestingly me presenting news many agi say that because na there were naysayers because naysayers kofo mo doubt say Kotoko betimanya visas no to go for this particular trip, but God being so good, it is happening. And team my friend in DC United 3 days ago, and also posted as a game is coming on. They are ready to host the African Club of the Century. That's poster DC United for no. You Nina no ewa me de bro, but news just in. Me no can say and a news just in. Apopia upon my phone also. News just in. Say Ghana ni okochi Sudan wabo Ghana blaster ni bida but say no obebo etia Ghana as a coach coach Kwesi Appiah wa name a strong 29-man squad say on Ghana eba bishia na squad no enyasem ketwa Sudan for domestic players ni wumpa ene omo bobo Tanzania ni nso wum na Ghana game no 11th yebebo no Accra Sports Stadium na the return leg no double tie e ka say double tie papa obo home no akọ away na wakobo 2 games enti 2 games ni nyina so ni Sudan enti yebo wia na yene omasa abo enti ye double tie yebebo Ghana na yakobo omo ho yebebo no Tanzania because Sudan them say unrest kakra wo ho venue for next leg no I think say ebeye Tanzania because Sudan dey ijano edo enti entimi nkobobo osisi but e bi nso ana yakobo ho met confirm venue na ma but Ghana dey Accra na eba so enumere ya Blasters meka Blasters opponent Sudan Kwesi Appiah in the Lidium and the squad that is in the Niabre pa and Thursday a China week and a game no ever so but one name squad no Ghana etiwo Ghana what all try day Otuado your word never squad ne bra na Ghana for criticize squad ne kakra and sana makobobo no. So that's the just news abem news ina no abem ewo ho no. Now Kotoko Asante Kotoko enra ye be kan fia say opanyin kwankyerefo a sisi oda Kotoko ano IMC chairman Kontomponi afere na na pinkra enra okọ Accra ene the office of the Speaker of Parliament a meeting together with the Ghana Tourism Ministry. Now through the protocols of government, Asante Kotoko players are na omunyenya omu visa no. Ya process bibia mo. Their visas are being ready by Wednesday. Kotoko is set to leave Ghana on 9th of this month, October, which is going to be Wednesday. This is an exclusive information from the itinerary now. Many balls. Asante ebe free Kruma Wednesday. And Kumasi Asante Kotoko game against Accra Lions is going to be Kotoko last game of the ball and Sana will Tukwayako USA. This is subjected to any last minute change. So, saying any just a man will say Krobia Ebenyako, the USA confirm because visas no, that was the only challenge. Ghana tourism for no in the ticket no. Bibia is sponsored almost 20 players. And the GFA, me no ka say Asante game no. I'm a Kotoko that approver to leave Ghana for the game because Kotoko participating in the Ghana Premier League. Inti Obreki Kotoko after Kotoko game against Accra Lions. GFA so the krata no ababontin. Say Kotoko betimi ako wasanhyen wama Kotoko kwan no because Kotoko is under the Ghana Football Federation. Kotoko is part of the Ghana Premier League clubs. A GFA organizers. GFA is the mother body of football in the country. Omo also asanyase. Kotoko, according to the itinerary amensaka no Wednesday, Krobia be free Krumha. Na yede yani achire USA. Game no Friday 11th. Once a USA for no ye lead your moon. You lead USA. You lead USA. You lead USA. It's a game no revolves around 11th, 12th October of this month. And a Ghana game no so yet away. Ghana ni Sudan yet away. And also 11th. So it means the games no Friday. And so but time on enyepe. Time on enyepe. According to information I'm in second. Kotoko game ni bit ma hwene ha be 8 p.m. You bet my hen have 8 p.m. But the game no, according to Kratam and Saka, it is a basu Kotoko Elko. Na Kotoko game against Accra Lions is going to be Kotoko last Premier League game and Sana will be Tukwayako USA. And the 20 players and they are assured together with other staffs. And visas no has or have all been secured. And say no, omo no munsan kan no. Kotoko afọwede omo details, omo passport bibia mayaya mo. There wasn't the need for the players na fe omo tu kwan penten kwa na omo eba ho because Kotoko a big club and enye Kotoko no ne pe e na odeko. Eye organizers invitational tournament and through the Democracy Cup Kotoko share house of Fukuno e na odeko. Media ma mobekaya last year around October okoye ema photos eba bonten. Unfortunately media ma game no olusu by 2-1 this time around Kotoko neko Asante Kotoko there this United for no matter say Kotoko huge inti omo no say 2 days bia omo be post bibi about the game no omo nim say omo ne the Africa club of the century and ebebo. And ye brief you about the history of the club. And oko internet no so na oko Google more access to Google. Google no more there. It's bibia they search through Google. O search idea through Google. Kotoko profile ne ba yes. This is indeed a big club. It's US ne there. A finite. Kotoko benya is a positive news numeri aba miano mania ho papa because earlier on now there were doubts because of the visa issues, no. But for the meeting and no call so any update I can say all is set, and by Wednesday Krobia ebe leave Ghana inshallah. Mempa ebone se bibia nkote bayira homa kruma na ye wo no me bompa se bibia nkote bayira homa na update foforo abeba sisi na akofa postponement bi aba. Mempa ebone se postponement bia ma, so at least 20 players no kra na visa no ba ku mienu bi benya issue 18 na be so a yemfa 18 players no enko America ho de enko bo game no. Yes, it is significant. BBC, it is significant for the club. No matter the results, the players are going to have a fair deal, and it brings positive light to Asante Kotoko. It's even important to say, Bibia Nkosesa, our last minute, and me young Kotias and Fufu Bia. And see Kotoko Chita for Yemfa Empire enter Timuno, Echi Sa. Now, I feel, did you say Kotoko? Sorry. Asa banida dem. Kotoko say sorry abanida dem. Kotoko me excitement for Kotoko. This particular sorry Kotoko sorry na say Kotoko sorry aji league no. But many GNA say Kotoko di league na ma Kotoko akobo Africa. Me nka se Kotoko nkoje Africa, but sa Kotoko obo Africa na emma yenya sa feeling no. So Kotoko obo Africa kuma de like emma Ghana football no ekosoro. Ghana football score more points. And this time around see who Kotoko Africa eni bra ye nyina de be wura mu no. Enya asem ketwa. Football physical, but amanfo esa wo gidi say football no opai mu a mframa intina the spiritual aspect no yemfa ni agro no. Kotoko eko obo ase na nse ya no. There are spiritual connotations. Supporters ahodo cancel, but enenye the date for that. On the date for that, there are no so full details. But for now, updates be no. It will be super 24 TV.